年収70億超のスターが明かすどん底から成功をつかむ泥臭い教訓。ベゾスに直談判した男の人生を変えるお金と人脈の真実とは。
Who am I here with today?
You are here with Kevin Hart today.
What was the most amount of money you made in a single year?
I can't say that.
Was it more than 20 million?
Yeah.
More than 30 million?
Yeah, we've had some great years.
What is the greatest piece of financial advice you give to the younger generation?
I can tell you the biggest piece of financial advice is that you don't understand finances until you fuck up and have a better version of respect for it. Everybody can give you money advice, but I'm just going to keep it 100. Making the money one time, easy. Keeping the money after you made it, hard. Making it again, harder. Finding partners that could do the same shit, almost impossible.
One of my favorite stories that you tell when you first saw Jeff Bezos. You were like, I'm gonna go talk to Jeff Bezos. Yeah. But you had people who...
バスボムを売って大金持ち。警備員に追い払われかけた男が明かす億万長者への逆転ロードマップ。思考を現実化させるマーケティングの極意とは。
How did he get a Lamborghini?
Have you heard of bath bombs? Selling bath bombs made me a millionaire.
Are you a good marketer?
One of the best in the world.
Give me a marketing masterclass right here. How important is marketing to a business?
Yeah, it's absolutely crucial. If they don't know you, they can't flow you. And an offer you don't make is an offer that they can't take. You want to make sure that they know you. That way they can like you. And if they know you and they like you, they'll trust you and do business with you. When it comes to business and marketing, what entertains you, trains you, and what you think about, you bring about. So too many people focus on where they are versus where they want to be.
What do the richest people in the world have in common?
They never stop learning. The minute you stop learning is the minute you stop earning. For example, and you want to write this down, no takers are money makers.
What is the greatest piece of advice you ever received?
If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. That's the one that touched my soul. My father, he's 77, still working. When I was young, he always told me, son, try to find a way to make money with your brain. It'll outlast your back.
25歳で大富豪になった男。その成功の秘訣はまさかの逆転の発想だった。億万長者が語る人生最大の資産と貧困から這い上がるためのたった一つのルールとは。
What line of business are you in?
I always been in finance, but private wealth management was like sucking for a living.
Did you come from a lot of money?
Yes, but I pissed it away pretty fast. The worst thing that ever happened to me was somebody gave me a pile of money right out of college. I never got that feeling of like the first paycheck.
Do you think it's not always a good thing to come from a lot of money?
No, it can ruin like the rest of your life because you think everything happens easily and you don't get that joy of making your first bit of money yourself.
What is the best advice you ever got throughout your career?
Live each day as if it was your last. Someday you'll be right. Be in the moment because the most valuable asset is time.
Did you neglect that?
黒人から24歳で億万長者へ。グラミー賞3冠の全米トップラッパーが明かした絶望の底から成功をつかみ取った禁断の成功法則。彼女が黙って実行し続けたある秘密とは。
Who am I here with today?
Megan Thee Stallion, aka the hot girl coach.
How did you make your millions?
From rapping and being smart with my money.
Did you come from a lot of money?
I didn't. I just always have believed in myself. Nobody gonna believe in me the way I believe in myself.
You're not afraid to bet on yourself?
No, and I'ma always bet on myself and I'ma win every time.
How long were you making music before you blew up?
I probably started writing music when I was like 7. Then when I got to college, I was like, dang, I wanna be a rapper.
Important because you knew you weren't gonna do anything else. This is what you were gonna do.
I knew what I wanted to do. I rapped every single day. Another thing is I wasn't running my mouth like telling everybody, oh, I'm gonna be a rapper one day or I'm gonna do this. Don't be telling people your moves because baby, they will find a way to make you doubt yourself. Make moves in silence.
What was the biggest driving factor of your success?
I just wanted to keep showing my mama that I was doing it when she was alive and I'm still doing it while she's watching over me. 全財産15ドルのどん底から15億ドル企業を築いた男。彼が語る成功の真実とは。一瞬で人生を変える奇跡のアドバイスがここ
こにある。
How did you get rich?
I sold the food company,
For how much money?
$1.5 billion.
Did you have rich parents? Did you come from money?
I did not. I had $15 in my bank account when I started the business.
What's that first actionable step they could take to get rich in today's world?
Be greedy long term, never short term. This is the greatest time ever to be a founder. Not in America's history, in any history.
You built one of the biggest food companies in the world. How did you scale?
We were the absolute best at meta marketing. We built a $550 million company in 5 years, almost 99% on meta, running ads.
What's the one thing that people get wrong about the sale of their company?
Greatest advice ever had is great businesses sell themselves. Build a great business, a buyer's there. Build a shitty business, no one's gonna buy it.
And you could leave one more message with the younger generation, what would that be?
If you are hiking only
服役中にスマホ越しに見ていた憧れのインフルエンサー、どん底から這い上がり空調会社を大成功させた男が偶然出会った本人に語る人生逆転の教えとは。
The first time I actually saw you was on a cell phone in one of our lovely federal penitentiaries here in the United States. So I was housed in one of them for almost 4 years. You're a big hit in there.
What'd you just do? Tell them.
I have an HVAC company here in Dallas. We sold 49% of it about 6 months ago.
How much did you sell it for?
7x from what we had it for. God had a plan for me.
When you got out, give me the best advice that you received.
I'll tell you something. One of my cellmates, he was an executive with Procter & Gamble for 35 years. One of the smartest people I've ever met in my life. He said, hire your weakness. He said, your strength is where you make your money, and your weakness is where you keep it. So I'll take that to the grave with me.
How do you build a relationship though? What did you do?
Think about you and me. We've known each other for 5 minutes, but we could have a conversation, right? If you can strike up a conversation with somebody, you can do business with them. You get to talk about your story. I get to talk about mine. I mean, look what you've done with a cell phone and a microphone. You've changed people's lives, and people look to you now for inspiration. You never probably thought you'd have that. You were just interviewing people about business, bro.
It's the biggest in the world.
The biggest.
If somebody doesn't believe in God, what would your message be to them?
I went through a long time in my life where, I'd done the wrong thing. I made mistakes and I paid for them, but I promise you the comeback is so much greater than the setback, man. That's the best advice I can give anybody. The comeback, if you hold on and you stand true to it, is so much greater than the setback.